Good morning. I'm at Dalhousie station taking the train going to Banff Trail LRT station, which is not too far from here, two or three stops. So, anyway, I'm off today and I just grabbed my coffee and having a beautiful morning. Banff Trail is a very beautiful neighborhood, and it's kind of a model neighborhood of Calgary city, and it's very convenient. Those motels are very close to the LRT station, and as a tourist, if you don't feel like to use taxi, you can use the bus or train from your motel within few minutes of walk to the station. It's very convenient. We are having a very beautiful sunny day in Calgary today. Um, Temperature is like +2, but it feels like +5, 6, 7, and the wind is not cold. Wind is kind of warm and enjoyable. It's a lovely day. After walking in this Motel neighborhood, Banff Trail, my plan is to go to downtown and show you the beautiful day in downtown. It almost feels like spring is in Calgary downtown. Spring is in Calgary right now. It's a good feelings after a lot of snow and cold winter. We deserve this beautiful day. It's a new high-rise building just went up in this area. Probably gonna be a new hotel. Looks good. Back to Banff Trail LRT station. I'm gonna take the train from here to downtown right now, which is not too far from here. Probably it will take 15 minutes. So then I'll walk in downtown, show you the downtown life in this moment, like 10:39 in the morning. My train is here for downtown. Got in downtown. It's a beautiful, lovely day in downtown. Some people are walking like just with a shirt. They are not wearing jackets, and girls are wearing beautiful dress. It's lovely to see downtown in summertime, Calgary downtown. Summertime, sometimes I sit right here and enjoy my coffee. I love this place. It's beautiful. They plant a lot of flowers around. It's beautiful to sit in the summertime in here. Lovely sky. Wow. And those high-rise buildings, beautiful. Friends, please subscribe the channel. Help me to hit the 1K. Thank you so much for watching.